the tornado. Can't wait watching TV. I know, kiddo. I'm so hungry right now. Hey, little brat. You're supposed to do not be hungry. Why? What's the matter? I'm just hungry. Let me check. Oh, we don't have any food. Buddy? What? We don't have any food. Come on. Why do you look so mad? Because he wants food. Oh, please. I'm so hungry. No food. Oh, someone's calling me. What's the matter, sweetie? Someone's calling me. Hello, sir. Hello, little man. Today is a free gift day. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so excited too. Kids, look. What's the matter? It's a free gift day. Yay! Cool. You look so freezing right now. Oh my gosh. Well, I think some like all the stuff. I'm done freezing right now. You look scared right now. You just literally motions right now. Well, we got to get some food. No, it's free gift day. We're so excited. Great. Let's get a free gift. All right, kids. Let's go to the free gift. What will you get? Let's bring my phone. I'll keep it off. And I'll hold it. All right, let's go to the car, guys. All right, let's go. Oh, I forgot. We're here, guys. Excuse me, sir. Hello. Welcome to my shop. This is a free gift button. I'm so excited. Ooh, this is the button. Cool free gift. Store. Oh my gosh. We got a cool gift! Yes! It's for me! Yes! Gosh, buddy, are you okay? Looks like I'm screaming right now. This is so unfair right now. What? You seem like sleeping. Buddy, why are you sleeping right now? Oh, I'll take him. I think he's tired. Alright, let's go home. I gotta take his stuff. Oh, cool. This is this cage. I got his cage. Alright. Let's go back home. Alright, excuse me, buddy. Right. Oh, I forgot his money. Guys! Sorry, forgot. You gotta check out. Here's your money. Great. Thanks for my money. Okay, thanks. Let me check your stuff. Alright, buddy, you gotta take your cage. Alright, here you go. Thanks. Thanks, guys. You're so sweet. Alright, have a good day. Bye. You can go back to your homes. Okay. Why did not sitting down, buddy? I think he wants to walk. So, here you go. That works. Alright, let's go home. Alright, we're home. Thanks. Alright guys, it's getting dark outside. Go to your beds. Okay. I'll keep it here. Alright, we're ready to go to sleep. Wait, why is that smell in the shower? What's going on? Hey, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! What's the matter? Oh my god. You're just yelling at me. Well, you're not getting up. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's just check out. Let's take that shower off. There's nothing in this hallway. Are you kidding? We need to get some stuff. It's okay. Let's just go back to bed. If they get angry, we'll get detention at school. What? Are you kidding? This is so impossible. We need to get out of here. But Mom and Dad will get mad. It's okay, baby. Just trying to go to sleep. Alright, buddy. Let's go to sleep. I'm getting tired. Okay. Whoa, the K is all ready for us. I'll follow you. Okay. Alright, let's go to room 3. Alright, gotta be super careful. Quiet. Okay. We're just sleeping. Shh. Quiet. You're gonna be mad. Please, run for your life! Oh my gosh, we need to run. What are you guys doing? We're sorry right now. We're sorry. You guys have to go to bed. Oh my gosh, it's raining outside. Oh my gosh. What's happening? I don't know. There's a bird outside. Looks like there's a tornado today. Attention, people. The United States has been a cool TV purge. Has been a tornado. We're having the tornado today. Oh my gosh, guys. It's going to be okay. We're safe. Yes. We got to hold them tight right now. Yes. Here's their beds. I need a bed. Look, there's a character button. Okay. Yes, I got a bed. All right, I'll hold it for you. All right, let's go to beds. Now we gotta be careful of the tornado. Should we stay in our room? Sure. And you guys have to go to school tomorrow. No, please. I want to stay home. Yes. But we'll be careful. Don't worry. You'll be safe at school. Now go to your... Let's stay in the corner. And I'll sit. Here's your beds, okay? You can sleep. Alright. I'm sleeping in this bed. Me too. Alright. You guys, you will be safe. I know it's a tornado today, but you'll be safe. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's go to the bathroom. Okay. Let's wash my hands. Go potty. Ew, it stinks. That was funny. This is so good. Make sure to not wake them up, okay? Okay. What's happening? Oh my gosh! There's a tornado over there, guys. Please, 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 guys. We need to run. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, what just happened? Why is my family dead? Oh my god. We need to save them really quick. Look, I need some food for them. What's this? Maybe that will help. Here you go, buddy. That looks like it stinks. We need to save them. But let's just bring them some chew foods. That will help. Cute. Well, this is so grumpy today. Well, I got bananas. This is so great. Let's wash them. This is gonna be so funny. Alright, looks like it's ready. Let's put some food. Where's them? Time to eat some. Put it in a jar. This is ours. Alright, guys, you can just use this. Okay. Here you go, sweetie. What's this? What the H is happening? Did they just talk? Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Why are you laughing? This is so great. I put bananas in the washer. Are you kidding? Now you're going to school. It is already 2 p.m. Oh, you guys are crying. Well, let's go to daycare. No! We have to go to daycare. Well, we're going to daycare. We're going to high school. Well, this is your last morning. You're going to daycare. Because you have to go to daycare. Because you're babies. Oh, the cute babies are here. Hello. Welcome to the daycare. They're been naughty today. Oh my gosh, guys. Why did you do that? You guys are nice. Well, I don't care. Why they're at daycare? Because they're been naughty. Because they have been like going to a free gift, and they got a cold chair. Okay, cool. I love it. Thanks for telling me. Cool babies. It's playground time. Do you want to play in the playground? Sure. What are you guys doing in the daycare? Oh, what are you doing here? Yeah, what are you guys doing? I don't know, but just leave me alone. Gosh, that was a scary thing. What, we're you still playing in the daycare? Yeah, I'm so proud of you going to the daycare. Yes! Well, you look old, teacher. Oh, I don't know. Because I'm like 70 years old. That's a lot. What's happening? I don't know. But I got tomatoes for the babies. Thanks for me. I'm taking a potato. Oh my gosh, are you okay, baby? Okay, I'll give you some apples. Thanks. It's good. Alright, do you want to go down the slide? My friends are going down the slide. Whee! Whee! I'm so scared of heights. Here, I'll come down with you, okay? Alright. I'm so scared. Hey, I'll come with you. Go down first. I hurt my leg. Oh my god, you hurt your leg? I'm so sorry, baby. I'll give you a Band-Aid. I think we don't have any Band-Aids. Are you kidding? This is so unfair. Let's try to stay here right now. My friend is so nice right now. You want a bottle? Sure. It's gonna. I'll write your name on it. Here you go, baby. Thanks. Wow, that tastes so good. I'm gonna sit in here. Alright, let's put the lunches away. Alright, friends. Time for lunch. Okay. Sit in your bottoms.
I have 2 of them because
Alright, let's sit. I sit right here. Alright, let's sit for lunch. Wait, what's this? Wait, what are you doing? This way. Why are you guys throwing it? Let's take here. It's already nighttime. Alright, I'm gonna leave. Bye. Who just leave? My mom. Oh. Cool to say. Well, that's right. Why are you writing with this paper? Oh, sorry, I wrote the wrong one. Alright, guys, let's eat some lunch. Alright, we have some foods. What do you guys like? I like tomatoes. I like meat. I like watermelon. I like apples.
When I thought I was gonna.
I like some bananas. Alright, guys, I'll give you some bananas. Here you go, sweetie. Thanks. This is so good. Good here to say. What's that leafies? Oh, I think the leafies smell like leaf. Come on. Cool. Why did you throw it in like a toilet? Oh no, I'm going. What did the music turn on? I think my sweetheart just flushed down the toilet. Come on. Where's her sweetheart? It's right on my hand. I need to turn that music off. Okay, then do it. I'm sorry, I'm just driving right now. I ate some grapes. I ate apples. I ate fruit. Get a robot, get a robot, robot. Great. I like eating meat. Meat is so good. But you like some tomatoes. I know. I like meat better too. Hey, who did that? Stop doing that! I'm going to put this away. I need Binky. Me too, I need Binky. I need Binky. Comfy Binky. Who just got us? I'm ready to go to the bathroom right now. Wait, what are you guys doing? Go sit down and control your stuff. Da 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 da! Attention, students and babies. We're having the tornado drill. Oh my God, what's happening? We're gonna go to a tornado. Take out your binkies. Where's my binky? I think it fell down the toilet. Okay, it's flushed now. Alright, kids, it's time for the tornado drill. I'm so sorry. I know it's scary, buddy. Right, let's go, guys. We need to go, guys. Oh, no, this is a lot of lesson learning. Hey, take your drawing away in your handbag. Under control. Alright, stay in your rooms. Go to sleep. Alright, guys, let's go to sleep. Alright, let's go to sleep. I need to go to sleep too. Alright, guys, do not talk. It's just a tornado drill. Just go to sleep. It's just a pretend. It's just an alarm might go off. It's gonna be really loud. I'm so sorry, guys. Alright, go to sleep and go to and control your stuff. I'm not going to bed. Wait. Lay down and be quiet. Attention, please. Actually, a tornado just got us very bad. Nobody survives. Exactly, there's a tornado attacked us. The end.